try this one. Oh, we need good lighting. Here, come by your door. Let's go out on your front porch so we can. Okay. Or do you want to go out on your back door? It feels so weird. Like I know this is yours, but it feels because I'm so used to holding it. I'm like, well, this is mine, and I'm like, oh wait, no, it's not. It's not mine. See, look how much light. Woo! Is this your dog's cage?
Yes.
You should put it in the shade. Let's try it.
Recreate shade for him.
Huh?
Recreate shade for him a lot of times.
So it ready?
Does it look like it's warping? Yeah, oh yeah, it is.
Not too much.
Yeah, exactly.
A little. Now let's try the other ones.
Let's try this one. Yeah, it's warping.
Yeah, it's warping. Let's do it out in the really good like right here.
Right here where I can actually stay in the shade because my eyes are not getting used to it and not getting used to it anymore. Oh yeah, that thing's warping.
It's warping.
Why does it look like that?
Okay, ready?
Whoa! I'm so glad we got this.
Watch this. Let me spin it slow.
Yeah,
okay,
it's warping. Okay. Do this one now.
How is it warping?
That is such good warp.
That's warping.
That looks like a ninja star.
Ah, there it goes.
Whoa! It just looks like it turns around by itself. Now try that one. I think that was gonna be the most boring one. Oh jeez, it actually did it. It did it.
It's warping. Whoa!
Whoa!
Let's try it lighting up over here. Let's try it.
Whoa!
Whoa! Let's try all three of them. Here, I'll do that one last because it doesn't get lost.
Whoa!
Okay. Look at the one in the back. It's definitely warping. That one's warping. This one stopped.
Oh jeez, that one's warping like crazy.
Whoa.
Look at that.
That one's sort of warping.
Yeah,
This one's just
is.
going slow.
This one's warping.
That one's the coolest. Like, whoa! What? Just film this and put it as your last video. On YouTube. You should. Like, just your last video. Why does it do this?
Oh my god, okay, we're gonna end the video right there.